In Berlin, we eat at a circus burlesque. We get tipsy at a tea party. We drink in a monster wonderland. We cram into a phone booth disco. And Mark loses his shit over Shatner at a toilet-themed bar.
I want that vodka.
Located under the Berlin TV tower, Liesschen Mueller offers an evening circus burlesque show. They also serve food endemic to Berlin and, in particular, the DDR. Stay tuned for our video at the DDR Museum, which is nearby this restaurant.
Table 13, right this way.
What'd you get? You got the falsche Farte. False way, I think that is. That's the menu. So I got a Berliner. I got a Berliner Pilsner, and I got it. Just a second, let me look it up real quick. So this is called a Diesel, and this is a Berlin thing. This is a Pilsner with Pepsi. It's a very sweet Pilsner with a lot of caramel flavor on the back of the throat. I think I'll just stick to regular Pilsner, but you got to try it once.
You got to try it, right?
We got some dead grandma, which is blood sausage, potatoes, and sauerkraut.
This is called a Settinger Goulash. I think I pronounced that right.
Dig in, Marco.
And these are both based on Eastern Berlin recipes, right?
Yeah, DDR recipes. Okay, go for it.
Definitely pork. It's really, really good. Just a little spicy, not overly spicy. Oh, that's really good.
I can smell it from here. It smells really delicious. It's blood sausage. It's ground up blood sausage. It's peppery though. It's very peppery. But there's not a lot of variety in the flavor other than your typical blood sausage.
This is a recreation of a traditional tea room in Tajikistan. It was created for a trade show in the former DDR when Tajikistan was part of the Soviet Union. They offer Tajik food as well as various tea services in a peacefully exotic environment.
I feel like we're in like a library or something. Gotta be really quiet.
So we have the Russian tea ceremony coming, which has candied orange peel and lump sugar, candied lemon, rum raisins, cookies, biscuits, shots of vodka, which we sip in between sips of our tea, very slowly. To sweeten your tea, you can either use jam, currant jam, or lumps of sugar. The currant jam is more traditional. And now we have a samovar of tea coming our way.
I want that vodka, but I really shouldn't touch it.
Okay, the samovar has arrived. So this is tea concentrate, and this is hot water. You put the tea in the cup, 2 fingers high, and then you top it with the hot water. Yay! 2 fingers high. A little more. You can do a little more. Oh. There you go. There you go.
That's hot too. You say what?
When are you going to do the currants?
I am gonna do it. Sugar.
Oh, that's so traditional.
Yep.
I'm going to do currants in mine. A currant. I don't need sweet tea, but I just like the idea of just trying it, something different that I've never done before. I'm going to melt it already.
Still eyeing that vodka.
Don't think about it.
I don't think I should do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
And we have these little mushroom candies. It looks like a goldfish cracker with a white chocolate top.
I can no longer hold back.
There it goes. Just a sip.
It kind of washes all that sugar,
It's like a palate cleanser.
candy from the cookies. Kind of washes it out of your mouth.
Okay.
Buchwald has been serving their traditional Baumkuchen to Berliners for over 170 years.
This is beautiful. What you eating, Mark?
This is the world famous Baumkuchen. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Baumkuchen.
Baumkuchen?
Baumkuchen. And with a little bit of Schlag. And this recipe, modern recipe, been around since the 1400s.
The Baumkuchen is baked on a rotating spit with a new layer of batter added for each rotation, creating these tree rings of dense and intense cake.
And I've gotten a torta that also includes pieces of the Baumkuchen along with mousse and glacé fruit.
A little bit of Schlag.
You just like saying schlag more
I
than
do.
you eat, more than you like eating it.
Kind of, this falls apart in your mouth. It's really delicious. Okay.
Look at how different the fork is. So there's something I don't know about that fork. Interesting, huh?
It's a deformity.
If you know, tell us in the comments because I have no idea. It's not glacé. It's banana. It's super sweet, super rich, delicious.
Jugendliche Kinder von der DDR, jungen Mädchen, alle Freunde von der UdSSR. Ich will sprechen und erzählen von der Organisation. Die soll bilden und erziehen unsere Generation.
So, we got a Kettwurst.
Alain Snack has been in operation for decades and is one of the few places still serving the authentic DDR snack of Kettwurst, the communist answer to the currywurst.
It's kind of obscene looking and
looks painful.
delicious. Go ahead.
All right, ready?
Yeah. There you go.
Tastes a lot like a Coney Island hot dog from New York.
Well, this stand too. This stand has been around for forever. It's an original stalwart of the DDR, and it's kind of like a Nathan's booth. We're just sitting out on the sidewalk, right outside the L train, the U2. The stop is right there. It's very convenient. We also got the traditional currywurst. We got it with pommes frites, and the pommes frites in the traditional ketchup and mayo. If we were in the Netherlands, we'd just do mayo.
This is every bit as good as an Nathan's hot dog.
The fries are really delicious too. They're not hand cut. They are double fried. I watched her do them. She makes them fresh to order every time, so you never get old fries here.
What do you
That's
think?
the best currywurst I've ever had.
Really?
I love currywurst.
That's saying a lot. You've had a lot.
Wow. I've heard of some of the places here in Berlin that are known for doing currywurst, like the best currywurst. I can't imagine how they could have possibly improved on this. It does taste like a Weisswurst. It's very aromatic, the wurst. The skin is deep fried until it separates, and then there is some great kick in this. It's not like ketchup with just a tiny bit of curry powder like some of the ones we have. This is really, wow, flavorful.
We got a friend here
I saw that.
buzzing around my beer.
These are for beers. It's in their name. And all that food, which we're gorged, and 2 large beers, 14 euros. Awesome.
Amazing.
These balls.
Post alarm glow.
Sequestered among mazes of courtyards, Eschschloraque serves up alternative club culture. The interior even contains original creatures by the Monster Cabinet's art collective, Dead Chickens. Unfortunately, photography isn't allowed inside, so I had to make do with some still images online. And if you come, do catch the Monster Cabinet next door. It's incredible. Bornholmer Hutte is an old-school bar featuring the oldest bowling alley in Berlin. You can still find old pubs with their bowling lanes in their basements. Unfortunately, when we went there, the bowling lanes were closed for repairs, so call in advance. Holzmarkt is a bohemian art collective featuring food stalls, wine bars, beer, and beautiful views of the River Schie.
There is something so peaceful about just sitting by a river watching it go by.
It also contains one of Berlin's phone booth-sized discos. KLO Bar is a toilet-themed, that's right, toilet-themed funhouse with animatronics, coffin benches, and a water-squirting front door. Your group can even reserve a table with its own taps. The in-house DJ spins party music while the beer is served in urine specimen bottles.
You're about to lose your shit. I don't know if you saw these 2 plants.
Alles klar bei den Vieren hier vorne aus Bayern, die momentan nur zu zweit sind? Ihr müsst bald los, euer Visum läuft ab.
Oh! William Shatner sat here! I'm a huge Star Trek fan. Okay. Originals, yeah.
What are you a fan of?
Huh?
What are you a fan of?
You already know what I'm a fan of. Big Star Trek fan. I'm sitting in William Shatner's chair. Right here. That's awesome.